Oh, boom. Good morning. Good morning, Coach Michael Burt, 559 on Monday morning. 5:59 on Monday. Good morning to you. My name's Coach Burt. I believe everybody needs a coach in life. I believe a good coach can change your life. And it's interesting to me when people have never experienced coaching before, Ryan Shive, if they've never been to the lodge, if they've never been to an event, if they've never been involved in a lot of self-help, or if they've never experienced it, it's really interesting to me what that can do for you. Good morning, John. Good morning, Sam. Right? It's really interesting to me what a good coach can do for a person if they've never had a good coach in their life. The true transformation. That's what I experienced on Friday, Greg, at the lodge when I did when I did Flip the Switch. Right? For the people who came to Flip the Switch, man, it was truly, truly transformational. And until you get in the ring, until you know, you don't know. You know what I'm saying, James and Heidi? Until you know, you don't know. So I'm shifting gears just a little bit, Sean, because coming up in February 22nd, 23rd, or 23rd, 24th, excuse me, I'm doing my Michael Burt School of Speaking, Rick Short, speaking, coaching, and publishing. And I do that. It's a 2-day school because I believe 100 and probably 1,000% that the number one way to drive a business is to be in front of people. Right? You don't need more money, you need more people. And there's no amount of advertising, there's no amount of Facebook ads, there's no amount of anything, Sean, that a person can do, right, to get business and generate more leads than speaking, than communicating. And there is an art to communicating, there is a conviction to communicating, there's a cadence to communicating. So I want you to think of it like this: people of interest have a message. That message is strong and powerful and bold and courageous, and it either builds affinity or it doesn't build an affinity. They have a point of view. They then communicate that point of view with the frequency. So they got a message. They've got a big mission. They're doing big things. They're inviting people to come along. Okay? Jesus, when he went city to city, people came along. He invited people to come along. He got out of his land and he went out into the world and he did what? He shared a message, Jeff Wright. He shared a message. So I'm convinced that the number one thing a person can do is to get in front of people and speak. It's the fastest way to drive leads. It's the fastest way to build affinity. It's the fastest way to generate large numbers of people who like you. Like this week, I'm going to be in Salt Lake City, Utah, getting in front of people. Those are new people. And you don't need more money, you need more people. Then I'm going to go to Scottsdale, Arizona and get in front of 500 more people. Right? Then I'm going to do Facebook and social media like this. And then I'm going to get in front of more people. Brent Ross. And see, this is my way to generate leads. So when you're out there trying to generate leads in the world, you start asking, well, how many different ways am I generating leads? Well, I can't take 500 meetings on Friday. But I can get in front of 500 people with a message. Right? A concept, which is flip the switch. I can deliver that message with some conviction because I've had a big revelation. I got a deep conviction. I'm giving a lot of movement. I can build affinity with those people. And I can say today, Sam, come on in. If you want to go deeper with me, come on in right here. And this is the way you can do it through text in, opt-in, which I do through Genie Rocket. And then we can follow up with those people, Melissa, and we can find out what those people's problems are. So when you're thinking about the strategies I use to generate leads in business, it's get in front of people with a message. I position by concept, which means I come up with a killer concept that solves a problem for other people. That concept attracts people to me. I then get in front of those people and deliver a message with a cadence and a rhythm and a passion and an energy. Right, Melissa? That they go, I like this guy, I don't like this guy. And either way is fine with me, by the way. Okay, we then generate leads. Leads come in the door. We collect that data and information. We then follow up with those people to find out what their problems are. So you can speak through webinars, which I'm doing next week. You can speak through Facebook. You can speak in front of audiences. Sean Vernon, you can speak one-to-one. You can speak one-to-many. The whole thing is, man, when you do speak, you need to be really, really, really good, really impactful. And really at that Michael Burt School of Speaking, Coaching, and Publishing, I'm going to show you how to take a message and package that message and distribute that message and deliver that message in a way that attracts people to you, or at least you know who's in and who's not. That's the whole purpose of it. So I'm always thinking about, how do we drive leads? How do we drive more leads? How do we drive more leads? Well, come up with a concept that solves a problem. Package that concept into a webinar, into a boot camp, into a one day, into a strategic partnership. Market and promote that. Attract people in the door, collect data and information, follow up with those people who are interested, and then exchange with them, meaning use your talent to solve their problem. And when you do that, those people will pay you money, right? So I lock onto, when I'm speaking, big concepts, big juicy concepts that I know people will be interested. It goes back to the whole Alex Hormozy, starving audiences, sell to a starving audience, right? Where's the best place to have a hot dog stand? Right outside the bars in Nashville at 2 a.m. Okay, doesn't matter how good the hot dogs are at that point, because the location, because they're starving. So you need to step back. I see a lot of people who want to speak on something they're passionate about, and there's nothing wrong with that. But ask yourself a different question. What are you the leading authority in the world at? Out of everybody on planet Earth, what are you most qualified to coach other people on? Okay, I'm most qualified to coach other people in how to activate Prey Drive, how to become a coach, right? How to be a person of interest. Okay, these are topics that I'm qualified to talk on, primarily Prey Drive, person of interest, and coaching. But you got to ask yourself, okay, Brent Ross, everybody's got to ask themselves, what are they, love you too, man, they got to ask yourself, what am I most qualified to speak on? And then I start getting out among people and in front of people and sharing a message with people. Now, at that MB School of Speaking, what I teach you is exactly how to do that. Concept, all the way to, you look at this event I'm doing February 17, 18, Purpose to Profit. I already have 400 people who purchased tickets to that. That's 400 leads, folks. 400 people who are interested, Amanda Bean, and 400 people we can call. 400 people who are going deeper with me. I'm going to over-deliver on the value. I'm going to give them 2 days. I think they paid, I don't know, anywhere between $27 and $194. I'm going to over-deliver on the value. That's my goal. I'm going to try to really connect with them at a deep level, Roosh. And then I'm going to have, you know, a percentage of those people who are going to want to go deeper with me. And this is a cycle we just repeat over and over and over and over. Speak, create a concept, speak on the concept, collect leads and data, follow up on the leads and data, find a problem that they have, solve the problem they have, move them from A to B, boom. They circle back around and bring you more people, man. And you don't need more money, you need more people. See, as I'm showing you this philosophy, it's really a formula. I should package the formula. I think I have packaged it into my book, Single Digit Millionaire. If you read the book, Single Digit Millionaire, this formula that I'm talking about is in there. It's one of my best books, most underrated books. You can't be a double-digit millionaire, folks, until you become a single-digit millionaire, which means your net worth is between $1 million and $10 million per year. Once you get to be worth $10 million a year, or $9.5 million, move to 10, now you're a double-digit millionaire, right? And that should be a goal, is to be a double-digit millionaire. But I wrote single-digit millionaire. You know, I know some people say never take advice from a millionaire. Well, if you're not a millionaire, first step is to become a millionaire. And how do you do that? Well, the way I did it was come up with concepts, attract people to those concepts, get in front of people. Some of those people like me and hire me to be their coach. Get those people to a better place in their life. They tell other people. They bring you new associations. Next thing you know, you're helping a lot of people. And when you help a lot of people, you make more money. And you don't need more money. You need more people because the people have the money. I hope you guys are following all this. So if you're interested in speaking, coaching, writing books, publishing, licensing, how to make money with a concept, I really want you to look at that February 23rd, 24th, Michael Burt School of Speaking. It's one of my favorite things. I'm basically coaching successful people in how to start, grow, scale a coaching business. If you got a coaching business and you're doing, 100,000 or 400,000, you want to do 4 million, you need to be at that. If you got a message, you need to be at that. What's up, Trevor? If you got a concept, you need to be at that, because I'm going to show you how to multiply the concept by getting more people from the message, right? Now, I'll show you something cool and crank this G-Wagon up. Boom, listen to that. Oh, Tim Grover texted me and he said, man, just turning the engine on of a G-Wagon activates your Prey Drive, don't it? I said, absolutely. So You guys have a great day. I believe everybody needs a coach. I'm going to be in Salt Lake City on Wednesday. I'm going to be in Scottsdale, Arizona, Thursday through Sunday. If you're in any of those places, say hi to me. Come see me. I'm going to be coaching. I'm going to be doing all kinds of things. And we believe everybody needs a coach. Go out there, get a message, get you a good concept, get in front of people, collect. Right? This is the path of using speaking as a strategy to drive leads. And this is one of the number one things, folks, you will ever do. Now I got to go home and see my babies. You guys have a great day. God bless you.